Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I'm so glad to have all of you here with me today. We are going to be doing an unboxing of the Gigi's Crate subscription box. Now this box did make an appearance on my channel a few months ago on a Manic Monday episode, but today we are going to be doing a deep dive into this subscription, checking it all out. It is all created by a small businesswoman here in the US. It's small business owned, it's artisan made, handmade goods, it's safe, non-toxic, like literally everything you want in a subscription box and what you don't want in a box, it equals out to this, you guys. Like this is the perfect combination of what we all want to see in a box. So if you've never seen this box before, I will be, of course, posting a link down below and you can always visit her website. Additionally, she is offering a limited time offer where you guys can save some money off of your first box. So I will be posting that discount code down below, but it is not going to be active forever. So make sure you use it quickly if you are interested. Now, this subscription is a monthly box that ships out every month. I have with me today the October 2024 box. Now, there is a shipping cutoff time for this box. So I did speak to the owner, Shelby, just to get the facts straight and everything clear. So if you guys want to receive the October box, you would need to place your order before 11:59 p.m. on October 5th. If you place your order on October 6th or the 8th or October 10th, your box would not ship out until November. So just make sure you're placing your order before that cutoff time. The boxes typically start to ship out around the 15th of the month. So usually after October 15th is when you would see your box arrive. So like I said, this is called Gigi's Crate. Now Gigi is the owner's daughter. So Shelby said originally the idea behind this subscription box is that she wanted to have a clean, safe home for Gigi, as most mothers do. And she realized there are a lot of different chemicals and toxins out there in products that she didn't feel comfortable having in her home or having around her daughter. So she set out to create this subscription box where every month you're receiving safe, non-toxic products. And like I said, they're all going to be artisan or handmade goods. So inside of your box every month, you're going to have a variety of products that you can incorporate into your home, but aren't going to be a toxic product. So as you can see inside of my box, there are a lot of different products in here. I have not unwrapped them yet. She does have 3 different subscription plans available for her boxes. So if you want to have more products, this would be the larger box that she will offer. But like I said, on her website, if you don't want to spend as much, if you'd like to have a few less products each month, she does have other ones available. So I have a link down below. The discount code will work on any of those plans, but you can view which plan will work best for you by means of that link. So we're going to start with this first item here, but all of these items are wrapped with little ties. I love the little personal touch. I've said this before, I'll say it again. Small businesses put in so many of these cute little details that they really just make the subscription that much better. And I love that about these boxes. So this product is a charcoal deodorant. This is an all natural and organic deodorant, and it's made by a brand called Suva, it looks like. So this is an artisan made organic deodorant that does not have any of the toxins or chemicals in them. So this one will have activated charcoal. It says it's barely citrus is the scent on here. Oh yeah. This is barely. So this is very subtle. I mean, it is a deodorant. We don't need to be smelling like a candle or anything when we put deodorant on, but it is a very soft, light citrus scent. So it's not strong at all, you guys. The great thing about charcoal though is that it does help to eliminate odors. And so I love that that is included. And it is an activated charcoal, so it's not looking like it's black. It's not going to dye your armpits black or anything. I think sometimes charcoal can get a bad rap because we naturally assume, oh, it's black and it's just gonna smear and look black, but it really doesn't. So it does feature beeswax in here. There's coconut oil, mango butter, white clay. It's another great one for drying out your armpits too, is clay. And then it says there are essential oils added to this, but we do have a full-size deodorant. Next up, we have a candle inside of our box. So this is a handmade soy wax candle, and it features a wood wick inside. This is from a brand called Mountainside WoodWick Candles. So once again, I love with this box, we're receiving all handmade goods from all different small businesses, and collectively they put their items into this box. This one will be a 40-hour burn time. It's an 8-ounce candle, and the scent is sparkling champagne. There's that wood wick inside, so it does actually have like a crackling effect. If you've never burned one of these, oh, this smells good too. I can smell it already, you guys. But if you've never burned the wood wicks, they really do sound like you've got a little campfire going. So it's got the little crackle and those little pops every once in a while. It's honestly awesome, you guys. And I love that you can get them in candle form. But the scent on here, I can smell it already, and I just took the lid off. It smells wonderful. It's very soft. There's a touch of fruitiness in there, and it's a very clean scent. It's gonna smell great in your home. It's very inviting. I like that this is not, it's not too strong and not too powerful either. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not, sometimes when I smell candles, you're like, wow, like it takes your breath away a lot of times. This is not like that at all. It's very soft and inviting. Ooh, we got a big boy here. This is natural dish soap. Okay, I will definitely use this. So this is Koala Eco, and it is scented with lemon, myrtle, and mandarin essential oils. We have 500 milliliters or almost 17 ounces of product here. This is really big. So we've got our dish soap. Now, again, this is going to be a cleaner, safer alternative compared to other dish soaps out there. So it mentions that this one will cut through grease and food residue on your dishes and pots and pans, but it's an eco-friendly, biodegradable formula, and it's all plant-based. So it will clean and deodorize, but there are no toxic chemicals inside of this, but it's also got that creamy lemon scent as well. So vegan, cruelty-free. I mean, they mention everything on here that it's a non-toxic product all the way through. And you got to think about that. You are cleaning something that you're eating off of and preparing food. And if you're adding a bunch of like chemicals and things, like inadvertently, even if you don't know it, think about what you're consuming and how that will, you know what I mean? Like then you're taking in all of these chemicals and things. This is just always one of those products that I try to always be mindful of, that watching like, okay, what are we washing our plates with? What are we washing our pans with? Things like that. It's a personal preference, but I love that this is a non-toxic item. Now it does mention that it is no synthetic fragrance. Like I said, it's eco-friendly. It is biodegradable. It even mentions that it's septic safe as well. So another plus there, but it sounds like it's going to be a great soap, you guys. So the scent, oh, it is lemon. Ah, this smells like lemongrass, you guys. It is so good. Yeah. This is like my new favorite soap, you guys. I love lemon scents, but this is perfect. The next product that I have is a whipped tallow. This is a daily moisturizer, and it says you can also double this up as like a facial cream. You can do it as a baby lotion, deep conditioning treatment for your hair, diaper rash, or even a sunburn. So this is a multi-use product. It's scented as vanilla bean. We have 9 ounces, and it's all made by a small business artisan. They make a small batch, whip it up, and then this is what we get here. So it is a glass jar. We can recycle this if we would like to. And then inside will be your whipped, ooh, it is whipped. Look at that. Isn't it great? I mean, it's thick. Oh yeah, and it smells good. Oh, I love this. I almost want to eat it, you guys, but I'm not going to, but it smells so good. It's like a sweet vanilla scent. Oh, I like this. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of it real quick. It is thick, but it's still whipped. You know what I mean? Like it's a thick whipped cream almost. Ooh, it's soft. Really soft, you guys. Now, it does add a touch of illumination. It's not shiny by any means, but it does make my skin look a little bit brighter. But it's not sticky. It's not oily either. It's very soft. But you can tell this is going to be super hydrating because it does feel like a really thick whipped lotion. Product number 5 is a detoxifying clay mask. This one is going to be matcha scented. It is 2 ounces and it says this is an all natural, cruelty-free product. So we've got our clay inside. This powder, you're just gonna add a little bit of water to it. You're gonna wanna mix this up in your hand. Don't add water to the jar or you're gonna get the entire thing activated. You're gonna pour a little bit of this out, add a little bit of water, rub it together. It will create a thickening paste, which will act as your mask. Now you can put that mask then on, leave it there for a little while. Because it's clay, it naturally will draw out impurities out of your skin. So if you have really clogged pores, this is a great product to use. It will draw those impurities to the surface and clean out those pores, but it works best if you can let it sit there for like 10 to 15 minutes and then you're just gonna wipe it off or wash it away. So this is a great product to have on hand. I love having clay powders. Now this one is vegan, it's cruelty free. It mentions you want 1 part powder to 1 part water, create the paste, leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off afterwards. Yeah, it's a really simple process, but it's very effective. And again, it's clay, so it's all natural and you're not adding a bunch of different chemicals to your skin. Also included in our box, we do have a washcloth here. This is an exfoliating washcloth, so it does have a little bit of texture here with these loops, and you can use this as a body scrub brush or even for your face. It's gentle enough for your face, but then you can hang it up with the loop, let it dry out, and then use it again. And the last item inside of our box today, it looks like this. It's so cute. I'm wondering if this is going to be like a lip balm or something just because it's a little bit smaller. So we're going to open this one up and I barely saw this one. So this is just a reminder that if you order this subscription box, definitely look through everything and don't miss the little product in here. So this one is a cinnamon lip balm. This is by the Naked Goat Farm. I love that. That's such a cute name. So it is all handmade. This is made with avocado oil, mango butter, beeswax, and essential oils. And like I said, it's cinnamon scented. So we've got our cute little tin of lip balm here. Oh, I almost dropped it. Now this one is going to be 1/2 ounce is what it says. So let's smell it. Oh, it is cinnamon. I love cinnamon, you guys. I just do. It's one of my favorite scents. Perfect going into fall and winter. This is exactly what you want. Keep your lips hydrated and moisturized, but then cinnamon is great for this time of year. So that is everything inside of Gigi's crate for October. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of this box? There's so many things I like about this box. I like, one, that it's all small business owned. I like that they're all handmade products, but I really like that you're getting full-size products without a lot of toxins and chemicals and things added to them. They're just all natural. They're simple, they're plant-based. You can understand what you're reading. The ingredient lists are super short. I mean, on a couple of these, like the clay, it's just clay in there. So it's really nice that they're simple ingredient lists as well. So I love this box, you guys. So if you are interested in purchasing this subscription, like I said, you can get the October box as long as you order before 11:59 p.m. on October 5th. Any orders placed after that will be in line to get the November box. The discount code that I have down below will work on any of those subscription plans as well. So if you like this larger box that I showed you guys today, you can sign up for the larger one using my code. Or if you'd rather have not so many products and not pay as much for that box, there are other plans available that you can use that code on as well. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!